earlier you mentioned some statistics around those leaving your organisation quite early on after starting. I just wondered if you could reflect on the impact on productivity of the day one rights and the probationary period.
I don't see why that would make a difference to the productivity itself, because at the end of the day you're still bringing somebody new into the organisation. It's more, I think it would be a longer term impact in terms of if we did start to see more people raising a grievance because they want to leave, or raising a grievance because we've said actually this isn't the right role for you. It's that time perspective that we draw, and that's more your line manager, your store managers, your leaders around the organisation that they would draw onto that resource. So I kind of see it would be a bit more of a longer play in terms of productivity.
Yeah. Would you say though that longer term, so if you have more employees raising more grievances, it takes up more staff time, more managers' time,
absolutely,
and therefore would have a detrimental
absolutely
impact on productivity.
And I think that's what James was referencing as well. Yeah. You know, when you think about the smaller stores as well within the convenience sector, but for us it absolutely is the time that it takes for line managers, for regional managers, you know, and don't forget we're not just a retail provider, so you know it would be within our funeral homes when actually we should be out looking after clients at the most difficult times in their lives, insurance organisations as well as legal services. So it's across the whole organisation for us, but yes, it's the management time, the line management time that goes into following these processes and doing them well and making sure that everybody is having the right hearings that they should be having. It is a time consuming process. It's right, because absolutely we want to make sure that everybody has a fair hearing and that the right decisions are being made for the right reasons, but it is time consuming, and that's the concern.